Hello everyone! Artists use perspective to create a sense of realism and depth in their drawings. Linear perspective is a technique which uses a series of guidelines and points to help artists to represent a three-dimensional world on a two-dimensional surface. One-point perspective is a form of linear perspective. It is based on the principle that all lines and shapes in a drawing can be located using a reference line called horizon line and a single point called vanishing point. Now let's get artsy. Today we are going to create one-point perspective room inspired by the game Superliminal Drawing. So let's start. First of all, where is the horizon line? Horizon line, remember, is the line that separates land from sky. In this case, the floor from the wall. So this line over here is the horizon line in this drawing. My vanishing point, it's over here on the top. So first of all, we are going to start drawing the doors. So to draw the doors, we have to draw the guiding lines. First guiding line and second guiding line. So this guiding line over here is going to be the top of my door and the top of my picture. Okay, so now we are going to draw the door. Again, the lines that you draw for the door, they have to be parallel with the paper. So the paper is like this. You just move the ruler and then draw your door. Okay, so the door is done. Now, this part of the picture over here, again, we need a guiding line. And look, this guiding line is passing over here and on the doorknob as well. So we are going to use this line for the two things. The doorknob. Now the bottom part as well. That's it, the door and the picture is done. Now I'm going to do the other side. So my two sides are done. Now we are going to do the floor. Again, the guideline. the floor and the wall, because it's on the back, on the background, it doesn't need to follow any guideline. So these lines, we are gonna do them straight. Following the same lines we did for the door and the pictures. Okay. Whatever you draw on the back as well, on the wall, it doesn't have to go to the point because it's on the back door. So these ones we draw without perspective. And we finish. So let's agree like that. You are gonna choose two colors. One color you are gonna use for the permanent lines that you need on your drawing, and the other color are for the guided lines. Why? Because I want to check if everyone is following the guidelines to do the drawing. Okay, so keep the guidelines with one color and then draw the other things with another color. Again, it doesn't have to be a marker. You can use a colorful pencil. If you want to color when you finish, you can. Okay, that's not a problem. And that's it for today, guys. See you soon.